Have you ever tried to win over a difficult woman? You've done everything that society typically suggests to attract a woman, like inviting her to dinner, saying flattering words, giving gifts, and showing your chivalrous side, doing everything possible to prove your worth. However, despite your efforts, maybe you've faced rejection or ambiguous responses, which can be extremely frustrating. Believe me, I know from experience. This time, I want to share with you how you can transform your situation. Instead of relentlessly pursuing a difficult woman, you'll learn to attract her naturally and without forcing anything. Interested? Then pay attention, because from now on, if you put into practice what I'm about to explain, you'll find that it becomes straightforward. Imagine for a moment that you're a mobile phone salesperson. Can you picture it? Now you're facing a customer, and at first, you try to sell them an old, worn-out mobile phone at a fairly high price. Do you think that customer will be easy to convince or difficult? The answer seems obvious, right? It would be difficult. But what if you then offered that same customer a brand new phone in perfect condition at a very affordable price? How do you think they would react then? Would they be an easy or difficult customer to deal with? That's where I'm going with this. The key is offering someone what they really want. It's not about people being easy or difficult, but rather if you're providing what they're looking for at that moment. The same goes for women. They're not inherently difficult or easy, they simply respond positively or negatively to stimuli, and you are one of those stimuli. If you're not getting a positive response from women right now, or if the woman you're interested in is showing resistance, it's not because she's difficult, but because you're not offering what she's looking for. Even if you're following the tactics society has taught you to attract a woman, like saying flattering things, insisting, giving gifts, and trying to convince her to be interested in you, if you're following a strategy that doesn't work, she won't feel attracted and will seem difficult because she doesn't want to feel pressured. What she really wants is to find someone who is exactly what she's looking for. And what is she looking for? She's looking for a confident man, a man with a magnetic presence, a strong sexual attitude. If you don't embody those qualities, it's natural that you'll encounter difficulties in your relationships with women, as you won't elicit a positive response from them. A few weeks ago, I shared a tweet addressing this situation. It's not that women become more accessible, it's that you become irresistible. It's crucial to understand that you are the creator of your own reality, based on your thoughts and beliefs, and these influence your attitude towards life. By having a positive perspective on women and on yourself, you'll make that reflect in your life and they'll be attracted to you. You don't need to do anything special for them to want to be with you, they just have to see in you what they're looking for. You must become the man they've always imagined having by their side. Women are saturated with romantic movies and novels where they yearn to be with a powerful man. If you try to do things that aren't authentic to you, like giving flowers, pursuing her, or trying to impress her without genuine confidence that would attract her, it's understandable that she would reject you. Please understand that you don't need to conquer a woman. In fact, I avoid using the term conquer. Do you know why? Because it implies effort, struggle, and the idea that you have to win something. In reality, you don't have to win anyone over or convince a woman that she should be with you. Simply put, you need to be what she's looking for. You don't need to persuade her to choose that mobile phone that she doesn't need and barely works. What you need to do is show yourself as you are and demonstrate that you're the person she wants to be with. You're the kind of man she's been looking for. However, until you believe in yourself, until you convince yourself and gain that internal confidence through the exercises I mentioned in other videos, no woman will believe in you. That attraction, that sexual confidence, you must cultivate it for yourself. Train your mind with positive thoughts, and repeat to yourself that you're an attractive man. You must say, yes, I am an attractive man. Women notice me wherever I go. Even though that might not be evident right now, through affirmations and exercises I've mentioned, you'll be able to train your mind. You won't need to make excessive efforts or prove anything. You'll be able to connect with a woman. If you find this information valuable as a man, I invite you to subscribe to this channel and give the video a thumbs up. This way, you'll motivate me to continue creating more content like this. When you have absolute confidence that you are an attractive man, When you love yourself unconditionally, and are certain that you deserve to be with the girl who attracts you at that moment, she will see you as the man she has been looking for. Now I want to explain why you don't need to do absolutely anything to attract a woman. Imagine you are overweight by 100 kilograms. You would be in a condition of obesity, right? You would be a large person with difficulty moving and walking, and you would probably experience discomfort in your knees. If I told you, try to run a kilometer in 5 minutes, do you think that would be easy or difficult? You would probably consider it extremely challenging, wouldn't you? Yes, it would be difficult given your physical condition, because your legs can barely support your weight and running a distance would be a daunting task. However, for other people who take care of their physical condition and exercise regularly, running that distance would be much simpler. The same logic applies to your situation with the girl you like. Instead of having physical overweight, you are burdened with negative beliefs that limit your self-confidence and prevent you from approaching that woman you desire. The problem is not physical, but psychological. You could be with that girl, but your limiting beliefs are sabotaging you. Additionally, you also have other negative habits such as excessive longing, needing her approval, or showing exaggerated interest. These behaviors will limit your ability to attract her and make her lose interest in you. Women are tired of unattractive men who chase them, men with low self-esteem seeking validation from them. Nothing is less attractive than a needy man. In summary, women are not inherently easy or difficult. How they respond depends largely on how you approach the situation. The key to attracting a woman lies in working on yourself, both physically and mentally. It's not just about physical exercise, although that can certainly help improve your confidence and overall well-being. It's equally important to shed any negative beliefs you may hold about yourself and relationships, and instead, adopt empowering beliefs that enhance your self-worth and attractiveness. When you have these empowering beliefs firmly established, you will naturally exude confidence and feel at ease in the presence of the woman you're interested in. You won't feel the need to impress her or to rush into anything, because you'll be comfortable with yourself and genuinely enjoy her company. This relaxed attitude will make her feel comfortable around you as well, and she will appreciate your authenticity. It's important not to approach the situation with a mindset of conquering or winning her over. Women are not prizes to be won. They're individuals with their own desires and preferences. Instead, focus on being the best version of yourself and creating a genuine connection based on mutual respect and understanding. By cultivating a positive self-image and a healthy mindset, you'll naturally attract women who appreciate you for who you are. You'll find that you're no longer desperate for validation or approval, because you'll be secure in yourself and your worth. This self-assurance is incredibly attractive and will draw women to you authentically, without any need for manipulation or games. Remember, it's not about making the situation easier or more difficult. It's about being true to yourself and allowing natural connections to form. When you prioritize your own growth and well-being, you'll find that everything else falls into place more effortlessly. So, focus on building yourself up, both physically and mentally, and trust that the right woman will recognize and appreciate your genuine efforts and qualities. If you found this video helpful, I invite you to give it a thumbs up. This will help me to continue creating more content like this.